6 type mouth parts are there: biting and chewing, piercing and sucking, siphoning, sponging, rasping and sucking, and crushing, lapping and chewing. Okay, which is found in honeybees. Means honeybees, bumblebees. Okay, lapping and chewing. So in a total 6 mouth parts. So it containing piercing and sucking. It pierce and suck the juices or sap from plants, causing nature of damage also in 2 ways. First way, direct damage, and second way is just they transfer the diseases. Okay, so let's move to the nether. Yes, and you can find if you will see. No, it is very important. It is also an important.
Good difficulty.
Eureka.
जतिन का नंबर लेंगे। क्या मेरे नाम पे इंजेक्ट का नाम है?
Abdomen of aphids, 5th and 6th abdominal segments containing cornicles. Cornicles like two tubercles structures. If लो एक एक करके लो और देखो इसमें सब में दिख रहे हैं। सब देखो इसमें पीछे 5th and 6th abdomen segments पर दो छोटे छोटे spines you can find ना. Spines is called as tubercles. Here you can find the black structures. That two tubercles.
बनाने को बोला जी इसको।
सब इंसेक्ट
सर इधर दिखा दो, सर कैमरा में दिखा दो, फिर सब देख लेंगे ग्रुप में।
ये छोटे छोटे ब्लैक कम आते हैं छोटे
Cornicles is always situated at 5th and 6th abdominal segment of in aphids. Okay, the function of cornicles is they release some chemicals. They release some chemicals which attract their own individual species. Means it's a aggregation chemicals. Aggregation pheromones. They secrete some aggregation. If one aphid is there, they release some aggregation pheromones, and the another aphids are also gathered or attract there. Okay, so never get confused. If the colony is increasing, maybe it might be due to ovoviviparity. And now the question is, what is ovoviviparity?
एग लेइंग एंड डायरेक्ट यंग वंस दोनों
है ना. Directly young ones are there. So ovoviviparity is there, or you can say viviparity is there. Means young ones within the young ones. Means a baby is born, they are already pregnant. If baby is born, they are already pregnant, and you will see if a baby is there, the next day you will find another baby that is come from the another baby. So a pregnant baby is produced from a pregnant baby. Okay, and it is a kind of viviparity. So aphids is viviparous insects. They having two cornicles at 5th and 6th abdominal segments, which releases aggregation pheromones. Aggregation pheromones, as name is directly denoted, that aggregate the other individual of the same species. So nature of damage in a 2 way. 1 way, direct damage, piercing and sucking mouth parts are there. They just directly suck the sap, and in another way they causing the diseases. Okay. Now next move to the nether patch that you are seeing on the tip of my finger is a abdominal tufts. Abdominal tufts hairs. दिख रहा है?
मीनिंग
I'm just coming to
दैट पार्ट।
this is abdominal tuft hair. कभी कोई मॉथ देखा है? Have you? हाँ, उसके ऊपर कितने hairs होते हैं? बहुत से बाल होते हैं ना पीछे. At the tip of abdomen, they having a lots of hairs at the tip of abdomen. So what female do at the time of egg laying? They cover the eggs with these tufts hairs. Okay. At the time of egg laying, female cover the eggs with these tufts hairs. So these are hairs, tuft hair. They are called as TUFT, tuft hairs. Tuft hair means the hairs which is situated at the back portion of the abdomen, and the function is just to protect the eggs okay, to prevent from the predator parasitoid. So it is just a remnant part. Eggs has already been emerged, so it's nothing else, just a tufts here, and egg might be there, but they have already hatched out into the larvae. So next move to the another patch. Any kind of reproduction in insects, one kind simply oviparity. Oviparity means directly laying the eggs is called as oviparity. Now second is viviparity. Giving a young ones is called as viviparity. Ovoviviparity means eggs are matured inside the womb of female, but they just hatched out and coming out from the body of female. So it is called as ovoviviparity, means egg is there, but baby is coming out. Okay, ova means egg. Viviparity means coming. They are just giving birth to the young ones. So oviparous, viviparous, ovoviviparous, and pedogenesis. Pedogenesis means young ones giving birth to the another young ones, means the baby is sexually matured. Okay, baby is already being matured sexually is called as pedogenesis. And another kind of reproduction is also there, which is called as castration. Yes, castration. Two kind of castration are there. Number one, parasitic castration, and number two, physiological castration. In parasitic castration, it is always found a order that is called as Strepsiptera. Have you heard the name? Strepsiptera is a last order of classification. There are 29 total order, and the 29th order is Strepsiptera. Strepsiptera is completely parasitic. What they do, they just cause is castration. Castration, आप ऐसे समझो, like distribution of caste, like worker, like queen, king, like caste, है ना? Now what physiological castration? If we talk about the physiological castration is a natural process. In physiological castration, what happened? Queen, they are sexually reproduced. But worker, they are not sexually reproduced. They are sterile. So this is a kind of physiological castration. In a parasitic castration, Strepsiptera insects, they just parasitized another insects of Hymenoptera, and they feed on the gonads of insects. Due to the feeding of gonads, the parasitized insects get castrated or they become sterile. If the gonads are fed by the nether insects, the host insects become sterile. So it is a kind of another kind of reproduction. Okay. Now move to the nether. Cymatidae. Cymatidae means like जो आपका bed bugs होता है, they produce like a penetration of the penis is just through the integumental segments. It is a kind of survival mechanism. One male is die, and they keep the another male alive in a absence of blood meal. अगर वो खाट आपकी पड़ी है, then how will you get a number of insects if they are not getting blood? It is just because of a homosexuality in insects. When one male mated with the another male, means they penetrate their penis through the integumental segments, and they give their semen to the another male, and they will be like utilized as a nutrition factor. Okay, so it is just nothing else but a nutrition in insect.
Sir, but जैसे आपने कहा था कि जैसे वो insect का baby निकलता है, वो भी pregnant होता है, तो उसमें
वो that effects is also yes pedogenesis yes.
अरे यही जान ही रहे, यही खड़े हैं.
Is here and some aphids are also there. आप लोग भी थोड़ा देख लो इसको. You can see one Hymenopteran is there. Okay. and few insects, few aphids are also there.
जूम कर सकते
Huh? Why this cheetah is attending the colony of aphids? Huh? Why this cheetah
यहाँ भी यहाँ भी
attending the
यहाँ
colony
भी
of aphids? Why?
उसका पूछना उसमें क्या
हाँ, क्या benefit है?
चीटा वही है
Why this cheetah attending the colony of aphids? This cheetah attending the colony of aphids. Why?
टू इट
Huh?
इसमें बच्चे लेने के लिए
क्या?
एग लेने के लिए नो सर मे बी दैट
Why this cheetah attending the colony of this aphids? Because aphids produce, as I already told you, they produce some aggregation pheromones through cornicles. So these aggregation pheromones is actually nothing but a sweet substance. It's nothing but a sweet substance which is called as honeydew. Called as honeydew. So the cheetah feeding honeydew, and honeydew is very proteinaceous in nature. Is very proteinaceous in nature, and it is very sweet in taste. It is very sweet in taste. So they are doing nothing but just they tasting their honeydew. Okay, this is pupa of Papiliodemolius. I'm damn sure within a 3-day butterfly will emerge. You just keep it.
What?
It is. Yeah, you just keep.
It is not emerged still.
No. Within 3 days they will. Within 3 days butterfly will become.
हृदय बिट्टा दो
No, it is parasitized actually. Look, it is this pupa is parasitized already because इसको hold करो.
दिस वन इज व्हाट इज
Look. This pupa, you can find this pupa is very healthy. If I'm not, showing this portion and keeping it up in such a way, you will find that pupa is very healthy. You are confused now?
Sir.
I think pupa is healthy, but pupa is not healthy. Here you can find there is a hole in a body. So this pupa is already parasitized by a Hymenopteran parasite. Hymenopteran. Sorry. Dipteran parasite. That is tachinid fly. Tachinid fly. Tachinid is larval pupal parasite.
अरे ना
Tachinid is larval pupal parasite. What does that mean? Larval pupal parasite?
को नहीं खाता सर वो लार्वा को वो क्या कहते हैं जैसे
लार्वा के अंदर अंडे देता है. They give their eggs into the larva.
वो शक्कर जो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं ना उस पे
Emergence occurred from
मतलब
pupa.
जैसे क्या कहते हैं वो जो
Okay,
प्रोड्यूस हुआ
that is called as larval pupal parasite. Larval pupal parasite. There is a term: larval parasite, pupal parasite, egg parasite, larval pupal parasite, egg larval parasite,
ये भी आ गया
pupal adult parasite. There are few many terms. So it is a kind of that from the list. It is one kind. Okay. Larval pupal parasitoid. Larval pupal parasitoid.
और फेरोमोन्स
यानी कि parasitoid give their eggs into the larval stage, but their young ones emerge from the pupa. So it is a pupa of butterfly and tachinid dipterans
ये और एडवांस्ड है
adult emerge from the pupa of butterfly. Okay, it is a kind of larval pupal parasitoid. Larval pupal parasite और larval pupal parasitoid. एग्स कहाँ दिए होंगे? लार्वल स्टेज में, लेकिन निकले कहाँ से? जब वो पूरा प्यूपा बन गया, प्यूपा के अंदर से वो बाहर निकला.
पूरा तो वो
लीव्स काके अपने ऊपर वीव करते हैं.
This is Bromidis suturelis. Look, you can find a small beetle.
पकड़ लिया
Small beetle. हाँ?
नहीं दिख रहा लीफ पे ही दिखता था
This is Coccinella transversalis. You can see this beetle. This is Coccinella transversalis.
ये बटरफ्लाई होगा बटरफ्लाई है वो बटरफ्लाई है डेड
Coccinella transversalis.
डेड है
It is not a pest. This is not a pest. Are you into my class? Are you interested here? If you are interested, you can come forward.
सर
Yes.
यहाँ पे और
सर इसमें डाल दो सर.
Ah, yes, it is a newly emerged pupa.
लीव इट
Which?
लेट इट ग्रो
हाँ,
इसको
वो
हमने
green
हमने
color.
उसमें डाल के
Blue
मार
green.
दिया
ये
था,
देख
इसको
black है.
मारना नहीं था. It's a bio control
That is
agent.
green.
It's a friend of farmers.
व्हाट इज
It's a friend of farmer.
वी किल्ड हिम
हाँ, वो friend of farmer था. हाँ, ये भी
How
रखो.
this farm, sir?
और ये भी उतार
New
दो.
one.
हाँ, this is.
Right, sir.
ये कलेक्ट करो, ये कलेक्शन है आप लोगों का, और इसमें से बटरफ्लाई मर्ज करके दिखाओ मुझे, उनका मीटिंग करके और एग लेइंग भी करके दिखाओ. रुको, उसको वहां से मत तोड़ो. रुको रुको रुको. हाँ हाँ, इसको ले. ये बटरफ्लाई प्यूपी अगेन. ओके. एंड यू
So how it farmed, sir?
बेल्ट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स.
How it farmed?
Huh?
How it farmed initially from?
From larvae.
हाँ.
It formed from larvae. And these two belt like structures you can see na, it is silken belt. Help significance, it just giving strength and support to the pupae. Okay, two silken belts you can see. Here also you can see two silken belts.
Dead. ಅದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಅದು
Silken belts. Okay.
ये healthy है. ಹುಳ ತಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು
इसको आप लोग ना रख लो.
हाँ सर
Silken belts is there. Okay. These are pupae of Papilio
After
demolius.
how many days it will be?
This hardly 3 days. Hardly 3 days.
Hardly 3 days.
ये रखो, ये हेल्दी प्यूपा है वाला. ये 3-4 दिन में निकल जाएगा इसमें भी बटरफ्लाई.
ये दोनों रख
ये संभाल के रखो और मुझे दिखाना जरूर इसको. खाने एफिड्स को नहीं खा रहा, उसके स्वीट सब्सटेंस को फीड कर रहा है. लिसन.
हाँ.
Yes, that's I'm coming to the. Come here. There is a mutualistic relationship. Listen. There is a mutualistic relationship between the ant and the aphids. Okay. And what is that relationship? The symbiotic relationship or mutualistic relationship. Aphids giving their honey substance or proteinaceous substance to cheetah or ants, and ant help their dispersal. In their dispersal, they are transferring from one plant to the another plants. So what they do, they just stuck onto the like legs, body, and once they transfer from, because it is a moving insect, ants is a moving insect. So once they transfer from one plant to the another plant, they transfer insects. They transfer insects. So they helps in their dispersal. It's also that insect. Leaf miner. Yes, leaf miner. That was a later symptom. This is earlier symptom. Even I can find an insect. It is also early symptom of leaf miner insect, Phyllocyctis citrella. Leaf miner, Phyllocyctis citrella. Okay, let's find the another insects beneficial or the harmful. Visible. Cornicles are quite visible in aphids. You can see yellow body is yellow, and you can see two black fine hair-like structures are situated on 5th and 6th abdominal segments of aphids. You can see. What? Like cornicles are small, yellow, body is yellow, aphid's body is yellow. Here in this species, body is yellow, but to find hair-like structures, black structures, you can see
Yellow.
is yellow. And yes, here is a female of aphids, that is winged form. Winged form are females. You can see here is a wing na. आपको इतनी दूर से दिख रहा है?
मेल को विंग नहीं.
ये this is black fly.
ब्लैक ब्लाइट सर
This is black light. Here you can see black fly pupae are there. Black fly pupae are there on the leaf structures. These are pupae of black flies, not aphids. It is a black fly pupae. Okay. Now move to the next weed. There is a lots of insects I have seen yesterday. एक aspects को तो रखना पड़ेगा. हमें जो है हमें देखना है कि हमें कहाँ रखना है और कहाँ डिलीट करना है. सर ब्लैक सर्कल से क्या करेंगे?
ये ना स्वेटर में चिपक जाती है बहुत बार हमारे घर में.
You can see here, these are pupa.
सर इधर भी दिखा दो.
These are pupa. Okay? Pupa of जलेबी. Coccinellid beetle. It's coccinellid beetle, and this is friends of farmer. This is friends of farmer. And you can see pupa are exudate type. There are two kind of pupa. We have seen first kind of pupa over there, and this is second kind of pupa. In a first kind of pupa, that is optic type, and this is exudate type. In exudate, you can see all the appendages are clear. All the appendages are clear. Here you can see now. Here you can see all appendages of pupa are clear. हाँ, appendages दिख रही ना आपको?
हाँ सर.
है ना? वहाँ appendages सब covered थी.
हाँ सर.
Are you getting my point? देखा यहाँ पे क्या है प्यूपा? क्या है बताओ? कौन सा प्यूपा है? हाँ, यहाँ आ गया हो पहले तो, और दो तीन जो पीछे फिर रहे ना उनको सब आगे आ जाओ. क्या है? ऑप्टिक प्यूपा.
ऑप्टिक बीटल. ऑप्टिक
जो appendages है सब कवर रहता है. इन एक्सीरेट में सारी आप देखो ना पूरी बॉडी में ओपन appendages है. थोड़ा सा क्लास में ध्यान लगाओ. आई एम नोटिसिंग फ्यू गाइस ना. ओके सर. यू गो एंड आस्क हिम. वीडियो में ठीक है.
स्टोरेज खत्म हो जाएगा
तो हम ऊपर से बनाएंगे अपर एंगल.
This is another species of beetle which is called as Coccinella septum punctata. Coccinella septum punctata. If you will count the black spots, you will definitely see there is a 7 spots on the elytra. Elytra is a hard structures. Elytra is a hard structures. Hard structures means the forewing is modified into elytra and become hard. So Coccinella septum punctata, it is also a friend of farmer, and they feed on a variety of insects like aphids, whiteflies, mealybugs and thrips. Okay, friend of farmer. It is predatory insect. Coccinella septum punctata. दिख रहा है? This is Coccinella septum punctata. हाँ हाँ, ये फोर विंग इज इलिट्रा. लुक, मुझे इसको शायद मारना ही पड़ेगा.
नहीं सर मत मारो. फ्रेंड ऑफ फार्मर.
इसके अंदर वो होगा ना क्लोरोफॉर्म.
सर इसके अंदर इसमें डालो.
क्लोरोफॉर्म
दूसरे के अंदर है. दूसरा एक और दूसरा वाला है.
एक कह रहा मत मारो, दूसरा स्ट्रेटेजी बता रहे कि क्लोरोफॉर्म के अंदर डालो.
उसमें है वो बीटल.
चलो इसको कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. फिर इलिट्रा हम
वो उड़ जाएगा.
बोले तो
दिस इज अनदर स्पीशीज ऑफ कॉक्सिनेला. दिस इज मर जाएगा, वो मर गया ऑलरेडी. दिस इज अनदर स्पीशीज ऑफ कॉक्सिनेला. इट इज ऑल्सो अ फ्रेंड ऑफ फार्मर. हाँ, दे फीड्स अ नंबर ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स लाइक aphids, whitefly, soft bodied insects. Na, they feed on soft bodied insects like aphids, whiteflies, Mealybugs and thrips. Belongs to the family Coccinellidae. Belongs to the family Coccinellidae. Okay. चलो next insects की तरफ चलो. Here you can see. सब देख लो एक बार.
Wings.
उनको भी बुला लो.
ये ना सारे मर गए
बता रहे मरा नहीं जिंदा.
नहीं यहाँ चली
देखो
वेट
ये दिख रहा है.
हाँ सर मस्त
दिख रहा है. It is red cotton bug that is called as Dysdurcus cingulatus. And here is male, and in this hand I have female. Two sexes are there. Male is here and female is here. How could you identify male and female at a glance? Exactly. Size of what is bigger and size of what is smaller?
Female is bigger, sir.
Female is bigger due to their fat deposition, which is help in
Making babies.
eggs. हाँ, ओव्यूलेशन में हेल्प करता है. आप नहीं सुन रहे भाई, पीछे का ग्रुप बिल्कुल बेकार ग्रुप है. मेल इज बिगर और मेल इज स्मॉलर. और क्या नाम बताया इसका, कौन सा है ये? रेड कॉटन बग डिस्डर्कस सिंगुलेटस हेटेरोप्टेरा. This belongs to the order Heteroptera. Actually, suborder Heteroptera. Order is Hemiptera. Suborder is Heteroptera. Why this is called as Heteroptera? Why it is called as Heteroptera? No, not a male female Heteroptera. Why this is called as Heteroptera? Because upper portion of the forewing is hard and lower portion of the wing is membranous. जस्ट इसको पकड़ो.
सब एक मिनट
लो इसको भी पकड़ो. Here you can see the fore part of the wing is hard elytra, and the see proximal portion is membranous. This is membranous. This portion is membranous, and this red portion is hard. So due to the variation in forewing, it is called as Heteroptera. Hetero means the different. Hetero means different. यानी कि different wing. एक ही wing में दो kind. एक ही wing में दो तरह के. First portion is elytra, hard structure, and lower portion is membranous. Membranous means membrane like, patla dubla sa, chota sa, flexible, membrane like. Okay. So Heteroptera order, suborder Heteroptera, Hemiptera order, Dysdurcus cingulatus, red cotton bug. Okay. Next. वो उन लोगों को बोलो.
महिला मंडल
This is Cycas. Everyone all aware about this plant?
Cycas.
आफ्टर टुडे
राजा सब अच्छा मैंने बताया इसलिए पता है. ये Cycas है. These are the newly emerged leaves. These are newly emerged leaves. But क्या हुआ कि ये attacked है. It is attacked by Cupid butterfly. It is attacked by Cupid. That is CUPID. Cupid butterfly. Okay. All the newly emerged leaves, the crown is affected or destroyed by Cupid butterfly. कोई टच करके देख सकता है इसको, तो चाहो देख लो सब थोड़ा सा पास कर दो. तो आप लोग भी टच करके देखो इसको. Cupid butterfly का ट्रेकिंग है. ये क्या करता है सर? इसे उड़ाएं या इसे रहने दें? ये न्यूली इसको जमा कर लो, फिर बातें क्लास में. सर वो कहाँ है?
और कोई है भाई? ये लो
प्रसाद लो.
एक सेकंड.
ये सूर्या
जिंदा वाले. Yes, it has already been eaten by Cupid butterfly larvae. Cupid butterfly is a small butterfly. They lay their eggs underneath the surface of leaves, and once the larvae emerged out or hatched out, they just feed or forms the galleries in leaves and leaflets. Leaflets in cycas. Leaflets. These are leaflets, okay? And this forms the whole leaves. आगे आकर के देख लो भाई.
संजनी को बुलाओ.
आगे These are leaves and these are leaflets. So what butterfly they do? They just enter into the mid portion of the mid rib of the leaf, and they form the galleries into it. Okay. They form. Any contact insecticide is work on that. Any contact insecticide, you can apply any contact insecticide to kill the. Or even neem oil, they just deter or they just repel the insects, okay, in order not to get the number of eggs into the leaves.
जतिन वन मोर है पे किस पे कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं? कलेक्ट कर लिए.
Okay. You are free now.